Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Bay Ashley Mofor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this DIY flaxseed leave-in conditioner from the comfort of your kitchen. If that sounds like something you're interested in, please stick around and watch this video till the end. Okay, so right now at this point I'm showing you the ingredients that we're going to be using in order to do this DIY leave-in conditioner. Our ingredients are going to be flaxseed, shea butter, olive oil, castor oil, honey, and rosemary leaves. We'll also be needing some equipment such as a pot, a whisk, and a bowl for mixing. So here at this point I was just showing you. So to begin, we're going to need a cup of water. We take a cup of water and we pour it into the pot. After having done that, you're going to add 4 spoons of flaxseed into your water. Into that 4 spoons, you also add 1 spoon of rosemary leaves, which I did not show while taking this video. So that's it that I'm adding there. You add 4 spoons of rosemary of flaxseed and 1 spoon of rosemary. You put that on the fire on the stove for 10 minutes on low heat. Stir continuously, guys. Stir continuously. You can stir for like 2 minutes. After you come back, stir and stir so that the flaxseed does not stick to the bottom of the pot. Yes, while you're stirring, make sure that you have a sieve prepared in order for you to sieve your flaxseed. So here we're just stirring. When your flaxseed is ready, you'll see how you make those bubbles on top. So now we're going to sieve our flaxseed. It is very advisable to sieve it while it is still hot, because when it's cold it will be a total mess unless that you have a sock to use. So now we are going to sieve our flaxseed, as you can see in the video. You sieve the flaxseed and you can stir the flaxseed inside the sieve so that everything is transferred into the cup. You don't want to waste anything. Now that is the shea butter that we're going to be using for our mixture. I've already put it in warm water for it to dissolve. We are going to measure that out in a cup. We are going to measure half cup of our shea butter and we're going to transfer it into that white cup that you are seeing there. We transfer into the white bowl, and we're going to put it in the freezer in order for it to cool down quickly to facilitate the process of us whisking. Yes, as you can see here, I'd already put in the freezer and that was how it looked like. And our flaxseed was already cooled also, that is it in the cup. Alright guys, so at this point we have already started mixing our shea butter. You're going to whisk your shea butter for about 2 minutes until it is light and fluffy. Guys, if you're enjoying this video at this point, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and click the notification bell in order to get subscribed. Now we are going to be adding our flaxseed and in bits. I added it twice, and then that's it. This is how it looks like. That's the consistency that we're having. If you want your leave-in conditioner to be thicker, then you're going to make more flaxseed so that it's going to be thicker and not light, like how mine was a little bit light at the end of this video. So now we're going to be adding in 1 spoon of honey into our mixture. Honey is a humectant and is going to draw moisture from the atmosphere and put in our hair so our hair can be moisturized. We're going to add 1 spoon of that, 1 tablespoon of honey into our mixture. now we are going to whisk our honey properly so that it combines well in the mixture. At this point, we're going to add 2 spoons of castor oil into the leave-in conditioner, and later on we're also going to add 2 spoons of olive oil into our leave-in conditioner. So at this point, guys, I was just showing you guys that was the olive oil that I had from church, but I did not want to go to the market, so I just used it anyways. Yes, that's what I'm adding inside. 2 spoons. Mix that properly, guys. If you have an electric mixer, you can use it. So when you're done, you transfer it into a clean jar, and that is it, guys. I hope that you love this video and you learned a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in another video.